Hello everyone, this is Stefan, you're watching SYG Tech. Welcome back for another video. Very requested video. So iPhone 8, we're gonna do a battery test today. So we're gonna perform a battery test, we're gonna watch some videos, play some games, record some videos, front facing camera, rear camera, you know. We're gonna do this test as a daily basis usage when you do same thing on your own, play games, watching videos, sending messages, phone calls, everything. So we're gonna perform this test today just to make sure how is the battery test on an iOS 15. So let me show you right now. So this is running the latest version of the iOS. So iOS 15 on an iPhone 8. Currently the battery is 100%, and let me stop this timer. We're gonna do some tests right now, so just to make sure that everything is set up, so you can perform the same tests as well at home. So make sure that you do the same tests, and let's start now. First, the brightness is about 80%, as you can see here. Also the Wi-Fi is enabled, no GPS, and Bluetooth is on. So we can perform the same test just to make sure that you're doing the right as well. I already did an iPhone 6s battery test, so make sure to watch that in the end of today's video, also on the right side of the corner of today's video. So yeah, very excited. So if you enjoy this type of videos related iPhone, battery, iOS, news and so on, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. And let's start now with the first test, which is going to be the gaming test. So let me set up the timer here, 10 minutes. We're going to play some games now for 10 minutes, and we'll see how is going to be the battery test. The battery currently is on 100%, so let's play some games now. So let's play some Crash. Alright, so this was the battery test. The first test was for the gaming. So we have 5% off. Okay, so we start the test on 100%, so we have 5% now. That's a pretty interesting, so 5% only, which is not bad. iOS 15, iPhone 8. Okay, so let's start with the next test, which is gonna be social media scrolling, watching videos, TikTok, Facebook, and so on, the things that you do on a daily basis, um, you know, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. So let's do that now. Let me set up the 10 minutes, and let's start now with the social media scrolling, watching videos, and so on. So first, let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this was the social media, watching videos, scrolling, messaging and so on test. Wow, we have 5%. So this is the second test. So it was on 95, now have 5% less. So 5% gaming, which is not bad. 5% watching videos, which is not bad. So yeah, overall, we're doing okay so far. The next test is gonna be just recording video on an iPhone 8 for 10 minutes to see how the battery will drop now. So let's record 10 minutes video, and let's do this now. Alright, so this was the recording 10 minutes video, but my camera stopped, so I just need to start again. So yeah, so the video is done now, 10 minutes. Okay, so 82%. This is not bad. Actually, 8%. Alright, so not bad actually, but iOS 15 was performing very well so far. What I'm gonna do next is Bluetooth on, and now let's switch the GPS as well. Where is the GPS? Privacy. Okay, so let's see now if you can drain this battery fast again. So now we try the games, we try the videos, social media. So now what I'm gonna do is just playing with the phone for 10 minutes, just scrolling, enjoying. So let's see now. Alright, so this was 10 minutes of playing games, watching videos, scrolling, just normal stuff. And what we have here, we had 82% before that, 76%. So as you can see, not bad actually. We're playing with this phone from 10 o'clock, nearly 40 minutes, and you can have idea how is the battery percentage on this phone. So let me know what do you think, guys, about this. So actually it's 11 o'clock and we're playing 1 hour with this phone and we still have 76%. So let me know in the comments down below what do you think. Give a like, subscribe if you enjoyed today's video, and let me know which iPhone you want to see next. I'm planning to do the iPhone 7 Plus or iPhone XR. Let me know in the comments down below which iPhone you want to see next. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications for future iPhone uploads. And I'll see you in the next video.